Hello my people, una welcome to my channel o. Dem say wuraala don throw shade give prophetess Naomi o. My people, dem say e throw shade give Naomi o, say e come dey mock am, dey laugh and say how market Naomi and your mama, how market? Na so e dey ask am, say how market? You know why im throw shade? According to wetin dem talk, dem say the reason why be say im throw shade give dis prophetess Naomi be say, alright to my people, na in case una no know wetin be to throw shade, if dat grammar too big, wetin make am mock am, wetin make am yab am, yab prophetess Naomi, say e don reach im turn. So wetin make am mock am be say, una know say dis prophetess Naomi na im be the prophetess wey be say na im be the queen wey be say dey marry na im be the queen wey be say dey marry Ooni of Ife before Ooni of Ife come send am comot for palace come pursue am. According to report, dem say their matter dey court. No be the court matter na carry me come for dis my aproko gist, so no be the matter, because some of una go come dis my channel, una go come enjoy all the gist finish, all the tori. I go remove a lot of stress comot for una body, remove hypertension comot for una body with dis my gist. When una don lis ten to the gist finish, enjoy the gist finish, una go come want to yab me on top again. Well, I no send o, una do well for even to watch the channel. Alright, I go straight to the point. In case una no know wetin dem dey call say throw shade at somebody, na be say e yab am, e mock am, that is e do am nto when e do am be say, una know say when dis king marry prophetess Naomi, dis wurola, dis humble, beautiful, classic wurola wey una dey see for here, e write for her, e go for her social media handle to congratulate dis Naomi o. Una go google and I go see am. She come write say to hell. E say she was once told that to hell is human. To hell, no be hell fire, to hell is human, and to forgive is divine. Therefore, he can congratulate Ooni of Ife and a beautiful bride that they call prophetess Queen Naomi. After I don go for her Instagram page, go congratulate these two people. Na so dem deft am, dem give am deft ear. The Naomi no even do like say somebody even congratulate am. She no even reply. Na some kind lady like that, dem go reply. You understand? To show, because for Wurola to congratulate her, you know say this girl, her mind be like ice cream. Her mind sweet like ice cream. She don't bear grudges. She live in good faith. She take am as e see am, even the way dem take mock am o, say im na runs girl, im get one Lebanese, abi na Lebanon boy, a billionaire guy wey be say two of them dey run parole together. Say if im dey engaged to the billionaire Lebanese guy, say so nothing wey dem don talk about her, na social media na dem take finish her, call her all sort of runs girl, say e dey do runs for Abuja, all sort of things. But dis girl dey very calm, e no talk. You see e no good make person dey lis ten to side talk o. Side talk na im the king lis ten, wey be say make am go remove dis im beautiful wife comot for palace, pursue am. At the end of the day, the one wey e even come carry come be the worst according to report. Me as I dey here, so I no get any personal grudges against dis Queen Naomi o. Na true I dey tell una so. Me, I be vlogger, so anything wey be say we dey see for social media, wey be say we dey hear, wey we dey see, wey we dey carry out investigation, we go come talk am as e be, and be say all these people wey una dey see so dem be celebrity. That's why e just be my people. So make una no blame we bloggers. Na our work we dey do. Na the work wey be say we dey do be this. So that na our job we dey do. So gbas still continue to wetin I dey talk. So as he come congratulate this lady finish, this this Zainab wey una dey see so. Congratulate Queen Naomi and im husband. Say congratulations. Makam, dem no even answer am. Dem no even. Na dat time na Naomi come dey show herself for social media. Una go see am, e go dance today, tomorrow e go just like dat dey show herself. Queen Naomi no ask dem wetin dem carry o. According to one adage, dem say he who laugh last laugh best. Say now, according to her, she say her God don vindicate her, know say the fault no be from her. All the people wey dem dey talk bad thing about her now dem dey talk good thing about her, because when this Naomi show her true color for the palace, when he and him mama dem show dem true color for that palace, dem too say the life alone. Life is all about tying gele gogorogo, paint mouth kekereke. Na that one na be life. Life is more than that. So this Queen Wurola, so una dey see so, she dey very very decent. I don see some of una, and I go say Queen Wurola, Queen Zainab don pay me, don make her talk her good about her. Me, I no know her right from beginning. I don't even know who she be. I never take my eye see her. I don't even know who she is. But we, the social media people, we dey carry out investigation. We dey see how things dey go, how the whole thing dey play. We dey sample people opinion. From people opinion, now we dey come dey take dey make our video, dey create our content. So from all the things wey be say dem talk, they say between these two queens, so one dey see so, say na Wurola na be the real queen among them. Say this wetin dem dey call her, this Naomi kakaka, say she call herself prophetess. Dem no know wetin she find come palace. Say if she be real good prophetess, she would have advised the king. When the king dey make marriage proposal to her, she would have preached the gospel to the king and tell the king to go and go back to her first wife, to his first wife, yeah, to his first wife. Say therefore Naomi for preach give the king, say make you go meet him first wife. Say because according to the Bible talk and say, now until somebody leg or somebody kpai, if you don marry, now you go fit take remarry. Say so as e be say the first wife dey alive, Naomi for no shook head. Say so because of that one, dem judge Naomi, say Naomi no be better prophetess. Say na im prophetess get questionable character. So my people, the thing when e dey ground is say Wurola na don come mock and say nto. Alright, to my people, but to speak the truth, this whole thing na dem say because this Queen Zainab too dey decent. I no think say im go even try and say im go come dey yab Queen Naomi, or im go come dey tell am nto. All those things are just social media stuff, things wey be say people talk, people's opinion. For me, Queen Zainab, I don google, don check, search all where I go see where info take talk am, I no see. Na the one be say one vlogger talk, now just say make I come touch light for here. So my people, una so it just be. In case you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you be part of this channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.